It's 3 a.m., it's dark, and nature is calling. Torn away from blissful slumber, you heedlessly barrel down the hallway, unaware of the many tripping dangers or jagged obstacles in your path. To simulate this everyday experience, we have filled this hallway with mousetraps. To demonstrate what happens when you don't have pathway lighting, our interns must work their way down this very same hallway as quickly as possible, barefoot and in the dark. We'll take 30 seconds to replace all our outlet covers with SnapPower GuideLights, and our favorite intern will demonstrate the advantages of having pathway lighting in your home. Well, that was easy. The choice is clear. Does your home pass the mousetrap challenge?
SnapPower GuideLight, the solution that instantly turns any outlet into beautiful, permanent pathway lighting. Here's how it works. Simply remove the old cover on any outlet and replace it with the SnapPower GuideLight. When it gets dark, the LED lights automatically turn on, providing you with the perfect amount of light for all your nighttime needs. Hallways, bathrooms, stairways, kitchens. There you have it. Actual pathway lighting in seconds.